guys, it's day 2 here in Abu Dhabi. So, for today's agenda, so ano kami, punta kami ng Warner Brothers sa Yas Mall. So na-vlog na natin siya last time 3 years ago, pero ngayon i-vlog natin uli. Siguro mga 30 minutes away lang siya from our place dito sa Abu Dhabi. Nasa Yas Island siya. So usually lahat talaga ng mga mga theme parks, mga ganyan, nasa Yas Island. So yun, biyahe na kami. It's currently 10 AM dito. And then siguro mga by 10:30 na doon na kami. Medyo late nga kami, hindi namin na ma-open yung theme park kasi 10 AM yung open. Kasi meron kaninang slight emergency, pero okay naman. Turns out all well naman, all okay. So anyway, samahan nyo kami dito sa trip na to. Sa mga ngayon na yung start ng aming mga theme park hopping. Sunod-sunod na yan, araw-araw. So yan, i-vlog natin. I-vlog ko as much as possible. Okay, so see ya! Ito na kami sa Warner Brothers. Ganda.
Oh, ang laki.
World's largest indoor theme park. So yan, continue natin yung vlog pagdating doon sa loob. Go park lang kami.
Let's go!
Yan, dito na kami. Tingnan nyo naman kung gaano kalaki yan, no? World's largest indoor theme park. Pero mo, may mga roller coaster sa loob, di ba? Tsaka maraming mga interactive na rides, maraming section, kaya talagang so here's the gang. Ayan, mga bata, dalawang bagets, nagtatakbuhan na. Dito na kami, malapit kami sa entrance. Bali, nag-purchase pala kami dito is yung 3 park tickets. So yung binili naming ticket is for Warner Brothers, SeaWorld, and Motion Gate. I don't know, not Motion Gate, Ferrari World. So dapat ang ticket ng isang theme park nasa around 345 yung pera nila, pangalan? Ano ba yung pera nyo? Ang tawag sa pera nyo, Juno?
Dirhams.
Yeah, nasa 345 dirhams. Pero pag marami kang biniling mga tickets, like for example yung sa amin, yung 3 theme park tickets, nasa around 500 plus na lang siya, 567 yata. So ang laki ng savings, di ba? So mas maganda, mas marami. Good for 6 days naman yun, na pwede mong puntahan any of the theme parks sa tatlo. Basta pwede mo in the span of 6 days, pwede mong tapusin yung 3 theme parks na yun, diba? So sulit na sulit. Well anyway, yan, dito na kami. Pipicture muna. Mag-picture muna kami. I'll see you inside. Inside na kami. Punta lang kami sa parang metal detector. Yan, punta kami dyan. Medyo madami rin tao. Pero actually malaki nga kasi to. So sa loob hindi naman ramdam yan. Plus almost parang kaka-open lang rin ng kaka-open lang rin dito eh. Kaya siguro marami pang tao dito sa entrance. Yan. Security dito eh. Stop ko muna yung video. Inside. So ayan. Sobrang laki, diba? Yan, lapit tayo dun sa sa ticketing. Kasi pero kami nakabili na nga kami online. Hindi siya sa Klook eh. Meron silang website dito. So dun sila bumili. Well anyway, yan diba laki ng savings namin. For adults 380 while sa junior 325. Diba? That's for a single theme park. While kami nabili namin nasa around 567, 69 for 3 theme parks. So sobrang sulit, 'di ba? Parang less than 200 per park. Kaya sobrang ano, and we'll enjoy. Kung ano nga lang, sa totoo lang, kung mas matagal pa sila Kuya Chuck dito, mas ano pa eh, meron pang mga alam ko may mga 5 theme parks pa eh. So pero hindi na nakakayanin kasi sobrang hectic ng schedule. Well anyway, ano na lang, enjoy na lang namin kung ano yung time na nandito kami. By the way, nagdala pala kami ng air wheel dito para sana convenient para kay mommy or sa mga kids pag napapagod na. Unfortunately, bawal ang air wheel inside the park. Pero they have storage naman that we can use para i-store yung ano, hindi na namin kailangan bumalik sa kotse para ilagay yung air wheel. So, okay naman, 'di ba? At least, 'di ba? They have backup plan sa mga ganyang ano. Hindi katulad sa Philippines pag sinabing bawal, kailangan bumalik sa kotse, 'di ba? Hawak. Lakad ka na mahaba, lagay mo sa kotse mo, babalik mo, 'di ba? Like here, yan, they have storage. So, yan. What? Wait lang ayusin ko lang yung sintas ng anak ko. I'll be back. And i-appreciate pala natin yung mga mga design nila, 'di ba? Entrance pa lang 'yan. 'Di ba? Nagpa-picture kami dito kanina kay Bugs Bunny. Pag-group picture kami. Ayan, pasok na kami. Iniwan lang yung air wheel. Ay, hindi na. Start na. Anak, are you excited? Mami, it's okay. Yan na. Inside, ito yung laging sinasabi ni Rachel, oh. Diba? Yung parang man-made na, na sky. Diba? So, ito na. Ito na yung isang part, Metropolis. Para makapunta ka na Metropolis, tsaka papasok. So, every yung mga teams siya eh, ganyan. Doon sa kabila, yung Carlton Junction. Diba? Kung kala mo lang, nasa labas ka lang eh, oh. Last time na pumunta kami dito, ginagawa tong gitna. Pero now, bukas. Diba? Yan, nagbablog din siya mag-isa niya, oh. Are you happy, my loves?
Yes.
Ayan. So, punta muna kami na Metropolis. What can you say about Warner Brothers?
Cool.
It's cool?
Cool. Very cool.
Ayan, pasok kami Metropolis na.
Hi guys.
Ang gandang jacket, ah.
Well guys. You guys like this character? Okay ba? You guys like
Ayan, mag-start na kami mag-rides.
You guys like this character? Vince Jester.
Dito naman, iba naman yung sailing dito. Oh, di ba? Sa Metropolis. First ride, Superman 360. And everyone is coming. Everyone is going. Even the scaredy cat Cookie. Papunta na kami doon sa loob. Tingnan ko kung pwede mag-video sa loob para ma-share ko sa inyo kung ano yung mismong ride. Done with Superman. Ayan siya. Superman 360. So, yun. Sumakay kami lahat. Okay naman. Kasi, ano lang naman sa 360, nakapalibot na parang screen, tapos naka 3D glasses ka. Kaso bawal kasi mag-vlog inside, kaya hindi ko na turn on yung camera. Well, anyway, pag meron chance sa ibang rides, kung pwede, na-try ko yung vlog. Okay? Pero for now, enjoy na lang muna natin. Ito may mga scenery dito. Kaya meron din kumakanta pa. Dami rin kainan. Ayan, dito naman kami next. Justice League. Ayo. Ayan, ito inside, ang ganda oh. Mga superheroes. Ito yung Justice League. Si Cyborg, si The Flash, si Batman, si Superman, Wonder Woman, Green Lantern, and then si Aquaman. Diba? Ayan, pasok kami. Ang maganda dito, wala masyadong pila. Talagang, even doon may tao, pero talagang dire-diretso. Kaya, mas marami kang masasakyan, unlike sa mga Disney. Talagang, parang di ka na nag-rides eh. Puro ano na lang eh. Puro pila na lang ang ginawa eh. Done with Justice League. Pass mo ako sa kasunod. Minawas-iwas kami sa loob eh. Ayan, magpapaano sila. Papapicture sila kay Flash, Wonder Woman, and then kay Green Lantern.
Nandito kami sa Scarecrow Raid kasi sasakay si Zuri. Mag-isa lang siya. Asa na si Zuri? I think I can see Zuri. Let's go to Zuri. No, she's not there. Zuri's turn, Zuri's turn. Let's go, Zuri's turn. Dito tayo, mami. Ma'am. Zuri's turn. Zuri's turn. Where's Zuri? Nandun sa likod upo. Ayun na si Zuri. Makay dito ang Zuri. Ayan si Zuri. Ayan o. Ayan. Hi! Ayan Zuri. Look at that.
Parang bakit yung kanila?
Oh shit. Asan si Zuri? Hindi ko makita, nahihilo ko.
Kanila? Bilis sa kanila oh.
Asan siya? Hindi ko makita.
Ayun.
Oh, ayun, nakita ko na. Woo! Upside down.
Sorry si Zuri. Yan na, tapos na. So, refreshing daw.
So refreshing.
Talaga ka? Wala.
Next ride nila, Riddler. Let's go. Tignan, papakita namin sa inyo. Ang sumakay dyan si Kuya Chuck, si Zuri, at saka si Danny only. You're so brave. Look at that. That's the Riddler. See? Buma-Vikings ka na, umiikot pa. Ito yung tatlong matapang na sasakay ng Riddler. So, babay na kami. Yan, may mga ganito ring show dito. Ayan, si Harley Quinn. At saka si Joker. So we are in Carton Junction. So yan, pambata, yan, may carousel. Tapos nandun kanina yung Animehem. Hindi namin nasakyan kasi nagkaroon ng technical issue kung kailang malapit na kami. Tapos yan, puro pambata yan, more yung Acme. And dito dyan sa Playhouse, Carton Junction Playhouse, dyan meet and greet ng characters. Pero ngayon wala. Meet Bugs Bunny. So dapat si Bugs Bunny nandyan. Kaso wala nga. So tapos ito yung Tom and Jerry. Ayan yung Tom and Jerry. Maganda yan eh. Kaso 70 minutes daw yung waiting time. Let's see. This is Scooby-Doo. Scooby-Doo tayo. This is Scooby-Doo. Maganda din yan. 50. Oh, tagal. This is 50.
Pero mas matagal pa rin naman sila eh.
Ito, Scooby-Doo muna.
Dami tao, ate.
Scooby-Doo is 45.
Okay, sige go. 5 minutes lang difference. Dito na tayo.
Okay, let's go to Tom and Jerry. Tom and Jerry, Tom and Jerry. Isang oras. Doon tayo later. So, ayan si Scooby-Doo. Alright. So, pasok na tayo sa Scooby-Doo-Bidoo. Saan ang general? Okay. Okay, go. Push me yan. Let's go to Scooby-Doo-Bidoo. Where are you? Ang ganda nito. Yung dadaanan mo papunta doon kay Scooby-Doo. Sobrang ganda. Scary. Look at the eyes. Moving. Ay. See?
It's my life.
Hi.
Nasa labas na sila ng Scooby-Doo.
I have to close it. I never used to believe in ghosts or monsters, but something is scaring everyone away.
Don't worry, Professor. We'll investigate this mystery.
Like, leave it to us to run into a haunted museum on our way to the beach.
Okay, gang. Let's split up and look
Okay,
for
gang.
clues.
Gang.
Looks like the Professor has an extensive art collection. Stinkies! I think this place might really be haunted.
Like everyone over here, it's the safest.
Quiet, everyone. This one.
Shaggy.
With exhibits like that, no wonder this museum shut down.
Just a hall of mirrors. Nothing creepy
May
about that.
multo.
Wait a second. Go back.
Why? Should everyone smile and wave hello? Time to say goodbye.
Pinicturean tayo dun eh. Nakalagay may spooky face, diba? Pinicturean tayo dun.
This room contains the
Talaga ba?
mysteries of science.
Tapos naka-video ko. Lagot ako mamaya. Ay,
There must be a clue in here. Maybe I can reconnect the power to help find it. Jinkies! I must have pulled the wrong wire. This ought to do it. Hurry! This way! Who knew science can have so many ghosts?
Bag it Let's hope it leads to the kitchen.
Someone's been using this hall to set traps.
For villain eyes only.
We'll need to set our own trap. If this goes here and that swings out from there, then all we need is the bait.
Not me, man. Try asking Scooby.
You are the bait, Shaggy Dog.
Scooby, do it. Great, Scoop. You deserve a Scooby snack.
Wait, maybe I can help. Can I also get a Scooby snack?
Sure, Shaggy. After you find the ghost and lure them into the trap.
Okay, here goes nothing. Found the ghost. He's right behind us. I'm gonna need a handful of Scooby snacks after this.
Lots of Scooby snacks.
Which way out of here? Right. No, the other right. Maybe if we're quiet, they won't hear us.
Then you have to be quiet. Those ghosts just don't know where to hit.
Don't worry, Dad. Our trap is all ready to go.
Come on, everybody. This way. The trap's all set. Just lure the ghost into position. A little more.
Now, gang. And the villain is...
But why?
He wanted the museum's treasure all for himself.
So he think the exhibit's being haunted.
Using these props to try and scare everyone away and shut down the museum.
And I would have gotten away with it too, if it weren't for you murdering kids.
Scooby-Dooby-Doo. That's not awesome.
We're here at Fast and the Furious with the gang.
We went here dito sa mercantile shop. So, ang cute oh. Ang cute ni Bugs Bunny. Yeah, ang ganda niya oh. Happy holidays. Ang cute ni Bugs Bunny. Look at this. Stan Lee oh. Stan Lee Warner Brothers. Ganda. And look at this bag. Oh yeah, look at that oh. It's so cute. Ang tabang bunny. This one's nice. Look at this bag.
Gerald!
Glossometer. So, ayan yung mga merch. I used to like this cat. This is Sylvester the cat. And he's so cute. I like him kasi pinapatay niya si Tweety. Pero nagpa-picture ako kay Tweety Bird. This is a cute mom. 65 AED. Tumbler from Warner Brothers, and it's Tweety Bird. 60 AED. Cute notebooks. A shirt.
Ooh, you need those.
Oh, that's cute. See, that's Sylvester and Tweety. Then Tom and Jerry. Si Lola Bunny.
Lola!
Ito, Lola. Look at this. Ganda, oh. Di makarelate yung mga kids. Tom and Jerry. Superman Tom and Jerry. That's so nice. Oh, look at this Stanley. So cute. Nag-partner talaga si Stanley and Warner Brothers. Ganda. So ito, patok na patok sa mga kids. Dito, it's the bubbles nila. Sa Disney, di ba may ganito tayo? Nakabili rin si Danny ng ganito sa Disney. Si Ariel. This is nice. Balik mo. That's how much?
Bugs Bunny.
100 AED? That is magkano sa peso? 1,600. Medyo mahal ah. Sa Disney, parang bilhin natin sa ganyan, nasa 800 lang. Ay, hindi pala. Mga 600, 800. Ganda rin ito. Scooby merch. So, matabang, kung may matabang Bugs Bunny, may matabang Jerry. And then Tweety.
Let's go to Joker. He reminds me of our...
Costumes, may mga costume din ni Shaggy. This is Shaggy. Ayan, that's it. I think that's it. So now we're back here at Joker Fan House kasi hindi namin to na-ride kanina. So we're going in. Let's go.
Look at all these chumps! Easy box, hanging around like puppets. You'll make the perfect supporting cast for my next performance. But you stooges are missing one thing.
Asan siya?
You need to smile. So you're all here to become my instrument. Be warned, I have quite a rigorous selection process. And
This is inside the Joker Fan House.
it triggers me.
Gaga.
Why do they call them dead ends? In this space,
Dead end.
easiest way out. You fools don't get the joke! There is no exit! Give up!
Maybe you should turn back.
You're going the wrong way, sucker! Keep going! You see that hopeless loser who looks just like you? Follow Lily!
We're getting there. But we're just going back now.
Tick-tock, your time is running out.
Don't worry. Nothing too bad will happen if you can't find your way out. You'll just be stuck hanging out yourself.
I'll give you a hint. Whichever direction you decide to go, keep
Hindi pa rin
going.
namin nakukuha yung daan. Just go straight and left.
You see that hopeless loser who looks just like
Danny, Danny, where are you? Good job! Danny, wait! Scarecrow! Riddler. That's Ate Cookie. It's Ate Cookie, Zuri, and Danny. We're on the Riddler. Villain. Penguin. Penguin's money bag. Boo! Boo! This is poison ivy. Okay, you have to pick Two-Face. This, or this. Do this. So, mag-i-slide tayo at the end. This is Mr. Freeze. No, there is. Ano, Tigox? Tigox, ayaw?
Exit here. Hindi kaya.
Halika na! Kasi nag-record pa yung anak mo eh.
Where is this? It is Warner Brothers in Dubai, Abu Dhabi. Let's pause it first. Never mind. Ah! Okay, let's be in the middle. Middle time.
Hello, excuse me. Eggs inside.
Oh, what? Huh? How? Wait, I'm gonna pause. Okay, guys, I will video. 3, 2, 1. Woo! Oh my gosh! Ah! Oh my gosh! Ah! I can't move! Ah! Okay, I'm back. That was something. Oh, God, it's Mr. Riddler! He looks like Harley Quinn! Okay. No, it's real